Hello, Mama.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm alright, thanks to you, Gayton.
Oh, good. I've heard the bad news, man. The things are not going well at the moment.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, but I'm fine.
Is it?
I'm surviving.
No, thank you. I'm in Cape Town. Please give that young lady there that is there, give her your bank details, not somebody else.
Okay.
This is not a ministry. This is Kapileaka. This is just from me, Mama.
Okay, Papa.
Yes, it's not from the ministry. Asicelta government. Kita tlo bona in 2 weeks, maar kita romela nthenga e ka o tshwarang fela until ke fitla madi. So for 2 weeks. Equal fela. Until ke fitla na, ke tell ke fitla, ha ke fitla, kita lokisa dintho wohle kaofela. Maar for now, tshwara fela so mufe yone ke etse before ra o votela ko parliamenting. Kita tlo chaka. Maar le yone unke o be one side for dumpling le nama, ha ke fitla mane, ke rata nama.
Yes. For dessert.
Hala, o tsiba dintho, o ba rute ba ba. Wa tseba ka o fa metsi fela. Ke lebile mama ne, o tla bua le wena ntse. And then you must work out the package how we're going to help our mother. All right. Thank you.
Okay, Minister. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.